Today we're here with Blythe from our CNC Bandsaw. Blythe's in charge of cutting our billet blanks ready for the lathe. Blythe, tell us a little bit about your job and what you do.
Alright, so I'll get the bar, so the cam at the beginning of its life, and I will slide it into the machine, program the measurements that I need to cut it to, and then I'll cut the first bit and it will come through, and then it does the measurements from the 6 meter length, cuts that all through.
You mentioned that you cut the first part. What's that about?
So the first cut is when we have it from the manufacturer, it'll have like a crimped end, and it will be sort of narrower from what we actually want. I'll cut off probably 50 mil, 40 mil from that, and then from there it'll cut the actual measurements that we need for the whole entire cam.
Okay, perfect. Now that makes sense. So once you're done with your entire batch, what happens there? Where does it go to next?
So once I'm done, I will do a count up, then once the count up's all done, send it over to the guys at the CNC, and then they will cut it with their CNC lathes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you, Blythe.
No worries.
Cheers.